At J Parkers, we pride ourselves as providing the very best quality products at affordable prices and a service that's second to none.
I can assure our customers that our product that we will send at that particular time of their delivery will be at the best condition we can send them with the environment, the season, and I can assure you that they're kept in this polytunnel, as you can see behind us, is that this quality is what they're going to receive.
Behind me here in Old Trafford, Manchester, is our wholesale operation, and this is where we import bulbs and supply to many places throughout the UK as quickly as possible. Due to our growth over the last 10 years, we've opened a new production warehouse in Lincolnshire, and that gives us the ability to send many more parcels out to our customers in a more efficient and more timely way to help improve our customer service. With our sophisticated packing operation, we barcode every packet we produce to guarantee that what you receive is true to name and great quality.
Our staff are very knowledgeable about the products that we sell, whether it be from bulbs to plants to garden ready items, and they'll be able to help with any queries that any customers have got.
A lot of the calls that we answer are actually orders people want to place, and that can be from the brochure or offers in newspapers and magazines. They might want advice, as to suitability for the garden or containers.
Customers often ask what time of year they can buy a certain bulb or when they should be planting it in the ground. So the customer service team are really good at advising them on that and letting them know when to do what.
We always get messages on social media from our customers who are excited to receive their delivery and get growing in the garden.
Lots of our staff all come in the same reason, because they love the product, they enjoy the product. Most of them are all hobby gardeners.
I love working at J Parkers because I love the diversity of the people I work with and the job itself. That's probably the thing I love the most about it, is the fact that no 2 days are the same.
The reason I love working here is because I'm a gardener myself, and I do enjoy planting the plants and bulbs that we supply as well.
The main reason I love working at J Parkers is it just feels like a big family.
At J Parkers, it's really important to us that our customers have an optimal experience when shopping online and are happy when they're doing so.
We do our best for our customers, and everything's targeted and focused on providing the best service, best quality product at a very affordable price.